user-friendly, the interface makes it simple and helps you understand how to set it up.
Expert reviews.
Streamlabs is one of my favorite platforms to use for new users. When I first started streaming, I wasn't sure what was going on, so I started using Streamlabs to help me figure out templates, sources, and scenes. Some of the top features Streamlabs has is the templates that you can find. There is an online store that community members will get together and build. It's almost like Wix or any website that has pre-made templates and you download and then you can play around with and customize. I was actually able to create a profile by logging in with my platform of choice, which was Twitch, and then I was able to travel using Streamlabs. I was able to go to a convention, DreamHack for example, and then log in over there and all of my resources were there. Folks that'll benefit off this are brand new streamers. Anyone that's looking for a little assistance with streaming. It offers a community that is creating new templates, new overlays, and anything that you're looking to make your stream look a little bit better.